Lover, when I'm near you and I hear you speak my name softly in my ear.
Hi Anna, this is Sina. This is an emergency. Mex, my internet lover's coming from London to meet me, but I haven't told him yet that the photo I sent was 2 years and 5 kilos ago. What if he gets here and doesn't recognise me 2 sizes bigger? Listen Anna, what I need is a Love is Blind recipe and quick. He'll be here in a week.
Firstly, Sina, stop worrying about a couple of kilos. There's just more of you to love. Enough sending and receiving. You've waited long enough. If I was you, I'd cut straight to the dessert. I'd make something sexy, something fruity, like silky panna cotta with saffron poached pears. First of all, we have to make a syrup, a gorgeous love syrup. And into the syrup, I'm going to put a really great bottle of Plonk. This is a gorgeous Australian sticky wine. So 1 whole bottle. We're going to put 1 cup of sugar and 1 glass of water. And for the star ingredients here, I think is the saffron, the beautiful little stamens from the crocus flower. 1 lovely big pinch. That will also help to colour the syrup. Now this poaching syrup goes onto the stove till all the sugar melts and it's nice and hot for the pears. Right, whilst that's cooking, we'll peel our pears. And then with the melon baller, I just go in twice at the bottom. And this will actually help to cook the bottom of the pear, which is actually the plumpest part of the pear and the woman. 5 naked pears, we're just going to pop them into the poaching syrup. And we're just going to cook them in there for about 20 to 30 minutes until they're completely drunk on the dessert wine. And now to add a little bit of zest into the syrup, we're going to put in a bit of orange rind. Right, let's clean down and we'll get ready to make the panna cotta. Into the pot goes 1 cup of cream, 1/8 of a cup of caster sugar, and then half a vanilla bean. Cut it down the middle lengthways, and that's an absolute pleasure when it's so fresh. When they're all stiff and hard, it's really hard to cut, and sometimes I just bruise it and bash it and slit it and pop it into the cream that way because you can't slice them when they're stale. Then we're just going to expose all those lovely little beans in the middle and push all the beans into the cream. We're just going to pop this on the stove for about 2 minutes until the cream just reaches boiling point. Now some people use gelatine powder and some people use the sheets. The sheets are by far the best. With a panna cotta, you want it to be silky. You want your spoon to glide through it and you want it to melt in your mouth. So I'm only using 1 sheet per cup of cream. But that just needs to sit in there for about 3 or 4 minutes until it's completely soft. Cream is ready, and now we just need to remove the vanilla pod. Very important to squeeze that excess water out. And then we're just going to whisk that into the vanilla cream mixture. Bowl of ice. Pop this mixture in. Whisk this for 2 minutes until the mixture completely cools down. So the panna cotta cream is cooled down now, and we're just going to pop it in these 2 champagne glasses. And it will just fill it up 2/3 full. That's perfect. Now into the fridge they go until they're set. Okay, pears are ready, looking absolutely gorgeous. We're going to steal 1 pear and 1 cup of the poaching syrup. We're going to make a beautiful pear jelly to put on the top of the panna cotta. So I start by slicing the pear in half and then just into about 5 or 6 slices. Pop the warm syrup into a small bowl and 1 sheet of gelatin. Now just whisk that until it dissolves, and that's all done. Time to dress the panna cottas. Now, as you can see, they're set, but they still wobble a little bit, and that's exactly the way I wanted them. We're just going to arrange these pears on top, any way you like, as long as they look gorgeous. And then the poaching syrup's cooled, and you have to do this very gently because you don't want to disturb the panna cotta underneath. I'm going to take it right to the rim. Just going to pop these into the fridge for another hour and then they'll be ready to devour. Voila! Your panna cotta and poached pears is ready, and this would go fabulously with a glass of confidence. Good luck.
Lover, when I'm near you.
Anna, how you going? Thanks so much for your recipe. It went down an absolute treat.
Thanks, Anna. Those truffles turned my cougar into a kitten.
Thanks, Anna. It worked a treat. You stayed all night long.